Hey y'all, we're gonna have so much fun today because we're gonna make some Cajun crackers. But this is what I found, these little mini crackers. Aren't they cute? Nico is crazy about saltines, and so I thought this will be great to have for him here. Now he won't eat these Cajun crackers probably, but anyway, they're in the stores now, so I was real excited. So this is super easy but super flavorful. You use 1 cup of whatever vegetable oil or olive oil that you like best. And then we use 2 tablespoons of our Dana Dash. So 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a good pinch of red pepper flakes. And that is the dressing. So let me whip this up. I hope y'all are doing great. Thank you to everybody who's following us. I love our Miss Dana's Kitchen family being so large, and I'm just really grateful. I love being able to visit with y'all. We've been out some to a spring fair. I'm going to be in North Carolina on Monday, and it's my favorite thing to do, honestly, is to meet everybody. So y'all come out to North Carolina, and thanks to those who came out to the spring festival in Coacheville, Louisiana at Little Eva's. So I'll mix this together, and then what I'm going to do is just pour it in our Ziploc baggie. And you want to make sure that you get all the seasoning in there. And we've made them before with larger crackers, but whenever I saw these, I thought this is great because it's a little bit more like a chip, and I'm telling y'all, these things are addictive. They are so good. And so then you take your baggie, make sure that it's covered, or closed rather, very well. And then you just do it around and around and around until all of the crackers have some seasoning on them. And super easy to do. I usually do it for about a minute or a minute and a half. Let's see. I should have got my cute little timer out, huh? But the main thing is just to try and get all the dressing evenly distributed to your crackers. So I'm going to flip it around a few times and tell y'all thank you again. If you want to purchase my Dana Dash, several stores now are carrying it. In my area, which is Middle Tennessee, south of us, Louisiana, Franklinton, Louisiana, Moncure, North Carolina, Jesse James Deli in Arkansas is using it for their seasoning for their Cajun dishes. So I'm real excited about that. So you just go over and over and over. And then I'm going to put these out on a cookie sheet, but you can store them, just store them in a plastic bag because they'll last, just like a chip will. So it's kind of like a flavored chip, but it's very much Cajun-y and super yummy. So here they are, y'all. You can see how yummy they are. Full of flavor. So y'all get you some and make you some. Bon appetit.